Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to send videos on Gmail. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily send your videos on Gmail. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not room to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to just open your files. I'm going to show you two methods in this tutorial. So for the first method, just open your files and then select the video over here. Now once you select the video, you can see share over here. Click on that and then click on Gmail. Now enter the recipient Gmail address, and then once you have entered the email address, then you click on send over here. You can add some caption to that, and then you enter the recipient email address and then you click on the send over here. Now for the second method, if you don't want to use this one, you can just open your Gmail over here, and once you open your Gmail, you click on compose, and once you click on compose, you enter the recipient email account over here. Then you click on this. Now it's gonna take you to your gallery for you to select the video you want to send to this person. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video